Hey everyone! Today, we're making something special. A vanilla slice. Flaky, creamy, unforgettable. Let's jump in. Start with 1 sheet of puff pastry. Thawed, relaxed, ready to go. Just lay it gently on a tray lined with parchment paper. No rush. Give it a little poke with a fork. All over. That'll keep it from puffing up too much. Gently place the puff pastry onto the tray, lined with parchment paper. Smooth it out with your hands. No rush. Let it settle in. Now into the oven it goes. Bake it to 100 degrees Celsius. That's about 390 degrees Fahrenheit. Let it go for 9 to 10 minutes. Just enough time for it to puff up and turn golden. You'll know it's close when the air smells rich and buttery, flaky, crisp, and light. That's exactly what we want. Now, let's make that dreamy custard filling. This is where the magic happens. In a bowl, add 6 egg yolks, golden and rich. Pour in 200 grams of sugar and a gentle pinch of salt. It's quiet now, but this will soon become the heart of our cream. Now whisk until it's golden, smooth, and full of warmth. In another bowl, add 180 grams of cornstarch. Slowly pour in about 200 milliliters of milk, right over the top. Let it settle for a moment, then gently whisk. It starts out cloudy, then turns smooth. Like something simple, slowly becoming something beautiful. Pour in the cornstarch mixture, then gently whisk it all together until smooth and silky. Warm 800 milliliters of milk in a saucepan over low heat. Pour in the cream mixture and stir gently until it thickens, smooth and rich. It takes a little patience, but good things usually do. Now add a teaspoon of vanilla extract and 24 grams of vanilla sugar. Let it fall in slowly, like a final note in a song. Whisk it in, gently. We always add the vanilla at the end, so its delicate aroma stays with us, soft and full, right to the last bite. Take it off the heat, and slowly mix in 80 grams of butter. As it melts, the cream turns silky and smooth. And just like that, you've got your vanilla custard cream. Now cover it with plastic wrap. Let it rest until it cools to room temperature. Let's start assembling the vanilla slice. This is where it all comes together. First, adjust the puff pastry layers to fit your cake mold. Place one gently at the bottom. Then spoon in that silky vanilla custard cream. Smooth it out, let it settle. Now, crown it with the second pastry layer on top. Light, crisp, golden. It seals in all that warmth and softness. A simple stack, but somehow, it feels like building a memory. Just don't eat it all with a spoon now. I know it's tempting. Wrap it up, chill for 5 to 8 hours. Let it rest. Take it out of the fridge and gently peel off the wrap. Then, carefully lift it from the mold. Soft, steady, no rush. If you enjoyed this, feel free to subscribe. There's more comfort and sweetness coming your way. And hey, thanks for being here. It means a lot. Now the vanilla custard slice is ready to portion. Soft layers, tender and true. Dust it with a snowfall of icing sugar. And there it is, a little moment of joy on a plate. Thanks for being here. It wouldn't be the same without you.